Hi guys, so I'm in makeup. What did I just say? I got this hair from Ishowhair. It's this company. I think it's yeah, it's Ishowhair. I'll leave the links and stuff in the description box. And this wig is a straight wig. So it's 24 inches and it stops, you know, above my butt, kind of. I don't know how to explain it, but show you guys quickly what I do as my everyday makeup. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Since this is a get ready with me, I don't know if I'm gonna be talking here or not. I might say a thing here and there, but yeah. This makeup is definitely under 15 minutes because I'll be rushing. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you guys in my next video. So I just wanted to show you guys this hair that I received from Ishowhair, and it's 24 inches and it's straight, silky straight. I literally just washed it and installed it. I did not straighten it yet or anything, and I think I actually like it. So yeah, I'm gonna do this as a get ready with me just because I don't really have a makeup tutorial I want to do right now. I quickly just want to go out, since it's gonna be just a simple, quick, easy makeup. Let me get it started. I already did my eyebrows off camera. That didn't take that long. This one right here, it's like a brown color. I just kind of take it with a big brush and just, not a lot, just so that it could be a little bit more. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know why I do this. I could always leave my eyelid alone, but I just like a little bit of color in it. And then I'll go with like a smaller brush and I'll just clean up the edges to blend it more. Okay, I'm looking right over there because, you know, the mirror's right there, but yeah, my eyeshadow's already ready. Clearly, you guys can see it. I'm done with my eyeshadow. I'm quickly gonna do my liner, and you guys will see quickly. This is a quick makeup because okay, so after I do all that, I'm gonna go and apply my lashes. Any lashes you want. If you don't want to use lashes, just put some mascara. I'm gonna get through that off camera because I don't want this video to be too long and I want to focus more on the hair. So yeah, so my lashes are on, so I'm taking my baby skin pore eraser and I'm just applying that all over my face. Okay, I'm taking this color corrector, putting it on my dark spots. Beauty blender. Okay, so foundation, concealer. Okay, so then I start with the foundation first and I move into the concealer just because my concealer is a little bit lighter than my skin tone. Okay, so make sure you take your time blending. That's why I didn't use that much product. Okay. Okay, so okay, and yeah, I will not be baking because I'm in a rush right now. So I'm just gonna take a brush and just brush everything out with my powder. A blending brush. Make sure it's a blending brush. Oh my god. I'm gonna apply blush. Some highlighter. Oopsies. I always apply a second coat of highlighter. Yeah, I like this. And this is what is this? Why don't I know what this is? CoverGirl. This is CoverGirl Melting Pout, and it's in the color 205 Toasted Grill. I added some like red lip. And this is it. This is my everyday makeup. So now I'm gonna go do my, well, this is the makeup for today. Probably gonna change my lips. I don't know yet. I'm not feeling them. But so yeah, this hair is from Ishowhair, and it's pretty much 24 inches, and I think the natural color. It's very nice. I did not flat iron it. I literally just washed it and plopped it on, and this is how silky straight it looks like. It looks really nice. It's very flowy, very bouncy. It doesn't shed. It doesn't shed. Why am I shaking? Stop. So yeah, the hair doesn't shed. Apart from when I washed it the first time I received it, hair did come out, but it wasn't a lot of hair. But then after that, it doesn't shed like that, like crazy. Like, no, it doesn't do that. It's not matting in the back. The only problem I have with it is I can't show it really right now, but like, you see where I'm touching? I don't know if you guys, the camera is picking it up, but right here to here, there's a lot of flyaways. Like when I part it, there's a lot of flyaways, but it is a little annoying. But if you have mousse or anything, just plop some mousse and then it'll just slick down, and it's not gonna, you know, bother you or anything. So that is the only con I would say about it. It's very nice. I like it. So I always say that, like I told you guys before in previous videos, if I want a curly wig, I'll just wear a curly wig. I don't really put heat on my hairs just because I feel like it helps them last longer. So if I want a straight wig, I'll just put a straight wig on. If I want it curly that day or wavy, I just get a wig that's just like that. Just because it's just my preference. I just don't have time to do that stuff. But I'll test a little strand right here to show you how it would curl. I haven't done it. I'm trying it with a flat iron, so excuse me, to see if it curls. It will curl. I think it would hold a curl because, okay, see, I'm running my fingers through it and it's kind of still wavy, so I feel like it would hold a curl. I am not sure really, but I think it would hold a curl. So I think it would hold a curl. But like I said, the only con I have with it is the little flyaways. But after that, the hair is so soft, so smooth, so everything. I like it. And yeah, so it's a 9 out of 10 for me. Because look at these. You guys see these flyaways? I don't know if you guys can see them. They're just standing. Like, why? But whatever. I'll just mousse them all down. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this quick get ready with me video and how I style this hair. Pretty much that's all I'm gonna be doing to it. I'm gonna start doing hairstyles with it, and I will make a video on different hairstyle you could wear with a straight wig, and I hope you guys stay tuned for that. Are you guys excited? Because I am.